Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the LS Engine Kings. What we have on the dyno here today is one of our 416 LS engines. This one's rated at about 600 horsepower. Of course, always exceeding our horsepower. This one made about 620 something, made about 540 foot-pounds of torque. Again, we enjoy building each and every engine in-house. We are custom builders. That's why when you call us, every engine is custom built the way you want it to look. We'll make sure we make it perform. We just want to make sure that you get it the way you want it to look. Again, another example, this one is painted orange, Chevy orange. Nice aluminum oil pan on here. Got beautiful hidden coil pack valve covers. We got the nice polished intake manifold on here. We have a full boat serpentine kit on here. And I'll tell you what, ain't nobody outperforms us. When we're building our engines, we're at our best and we peak. So again, if you're looking for a great motor, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Remember what I always tell you, the proof is in the performance. Thank you. Look at that bad boy fire right up. Pick up on high RPM, pick up downward, where we have our throttle set. Look at that, nice thump, great oil pressure, AFRs are perfect, we're ready to roll.